Hi everyone! I'm back with another product review of Earth's Recipe Moisture Bound Cream. Apparently, this cream turns out to be one of the best-selling products on Amazon US. Before anything, let's go over some reviews on Amazon. It got 4.8 out of 5. It's honestly helped so much where other cream moisturizers have fallen short. If you need intense hydration for acne-prone skin, this is a must-have and worth every penny. So this cream is actually really good for acne-prone skin. Okay, shall we test it out? With my fingers. So you can apply this cream, of course, all over your face and your neck. So the texture is super moisturizing and full of nourishment. Do you see? And tremella mushroom helps to moisturize not just your outer skin, but nourishes from inside, filling your skin with full of nourishment. I've retouched my makeup after applying Moisture Bound Cream. It works so well under makeup.